But coming on to fans, I think they are pretty sweet. They are constantly messaging me on Instagram and Facebook, and wishing me luck. And people who have seen the show. Actually, हम मुगले आजम बना रहे थे. अभी क्या होता है, लड़के डरते हैं हमसे. सर फोड़ देगी या मार देगी या गाली दे देगी.
Ashima, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you.
First of all, I have to say that Dave DD, I think that's become your, I say an identity now, because season 1 had received such a great response. Now season 2 is getting such a great response. I would like to know what response you have received, on social media from your fans, family, friends. What response you have received?
When it comes to family, they haven't watched the show yet. Like, they were really busy, I believe. But coming on to fans, I think they are pretty sweet. They are constantly messaging me on Instagram and Facebook, and wishing me luck. And people who have seen the show, they are genuinely liking it. So I think it's a big, big, big thing for me, because when you're coming with season 2, you have a lot of responsibility. People are expecting certain performance, or maybe the storyline, lot of things. So I think to achieve that is a risky game, because sometimes people do like certain stuff and then they don't, because we are coming back after 3 years. And 3 साल में तो taste बदल जाता है. There are so many platforms, there are so many shows. But if they are still waiting for season 2 of the Double D, I think we have already achieved the success, I'd say, if your audience is waiting for you for 3 long years.
Right. So why such a long time? Why did the season 2 take such a long time? Was it because of the pandemic, the shoot was stalled? What happened that it took so much? Like 3 years, it's actually a huge gap.
Actually, हम मुगले आजम बना रहे थे. Sorry यार. Actually क्या होता है, अच्छी चीजों में वक्त लगता है. हमारी चीज कुछ ज्यादा ही अच्छी थी, इसलिए कुछ ज्यादा ही वक्त लग गया. So the thing is that, see, Ekta wanted to make sure when we are coming with season 2, so that should catch up with the expectations of the audience, like we're expecting in season 2. So that's why it took us 3 years, because once we did, we did shoot for season 2, and we completed the shoot, we wrapped it up, and then the makers, they edited, and when the moment Ekta saw it, she was like, no, something is missing. Something is missing in the show. We need to add a lot of other things. And then we again started the shoot, and then COVID happened, and then we had to wait for like 5 months, and then again we started. So the show was supposed to come out in 2019, but it couldn't, because we had to reshoot, we had to add 2 things, additional shoot. Then it was supposed to come out in 2020, like in April, June, but then COVID happened, and now finally I'm just happy that show release ho gaya. So, whew.
So, I would like to know how much Ashima is similar to, Devyani. I know, is it she's totally different?
So if I have to compare myself with my character Devika, see, being with Devika since 2016, so Devika is inside me now, and that's the best part, because अभी क्या होता है, लड़के डरते हैं हमसे. सर फोड़ देगी या मार देगी या गाली दे देगी. So that's a good thing. But yeah, I am like Devika in terms of my anger, in terms of, like, both of us, we are emotional fools. और गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है हमें. And even I'm not scared of anyone. But she's any day she's more brave. Like, she is more daring. So there are few things which I can't do and she can. So that's it.
So, is there a season 3 of DVD happening?
Right now, no idea, to be very honest, because season 1 जब release हुआ था, and then we announced season 2 because of the numbers, because we were getting great response. So again, if it happens with season 2, if people like it they liked season 1, then definitely yes. But it's all about the numbers in the end of the day. Like if they like it, if they'll request for it, then it might. But right now, I have no idea, to be very honest.
Right. So, Ashima, what's your views on this whole debate about there should be a censorship on OTT platforms? What do you have to say?
Oh my God. I believe, देखिए हमारी कंट्री ऐसी है जहां हम जिस चीज पे रोक लगाते हैं वहां हम रिवॉल्ट करते हैं. So I won't say that censorship नहीं होना चाहिए या I will say censorship होना चाहिए. I think they have to play it very smartly because censorship से क्या हो जाएगा, बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो मेकर अपनी ऑडियंस को बताना चाहते हैं. They won't be able to do that. So it's a complicated situation, but I think in our country it's not only about nudity or vulgarity. It's also about like shows like Tandav. Matlab, what is happening with that show? Hamari, like our country, in terms of emotions, and our country is very about their culture, I believe. So, आप कुछ भी बनाओ, कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी को तो हर्ट होगा ही. तो अगर आप सेंसरशिप भी लगाते हो तो कितनी चीजों पे लगाओगे, पहले तो ये डिसाइड कीजिए किन के इमोशंस हर्ट हो रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ट्रिकी गेम, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एज आर्टिस्ट, whatever we will get on paper, we have to perform that. But I feel bad for the makers. I feel bad for the directors or the writers who wanted to show a story to the world. But I don't know. I genuinely don't know how these things will shape up.
Right. So, Ashima, what's happening next after Dev DD season 2? Where do we see you now?
Hopefully again on OTT platform, but not a series, maybe a film. I don't know which platform, but I'm sure there would be again an OTT film. People will see me in.
Right. So Ashima, it was really nice chatting with you, and I think Dev DD season 2 is getting a great response, and including me, I am waiting for season 3 now. Thank you so much for being with us, Ashima. Bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Bye. You too.